If you're not using iTunes to download your music, you're missing out on some of the iPhone's best features. This article will show you how to download music on iPhone without iTunes and take advantage of all the phone offers. Stay tuned. Way 1. Download music on iPhone without iTunes using iPhone Data Transfer. iPhone Data Transfer is a professional tool designed to help users transfer data between iOS devices and computers and manage iOS data on computer. You can use it to manage iPhone music and download music from iPhone. Way 2. Download songs in iPhone without iTunes via streaming music services. Music files can be added to an iPhone in different ways, including uploading from a computer, syncing music from a cloud service, and streaming services. Option 1. Use the Apple Music app. Option 2. Use the YouTube Music app. The easiest method to find and play music on YouTube is to use the app. It also has a large collection of songs that you may download for offline listening on your iPhone. Way 3. Put music on iPhone without iTunes using cloud services. If you don't want to use iTunes or any other desktop software to put music on your iPhone, you can use cloud services like Google Play Music and Dropbox. Option 1. Use Google Play Music. Option 2. Use Dropbox. If you use Dropbox, you can save your files to the app and listen to them offline. Way 4. Download songs on iPhone without iTunes using MediaMonkey. MediaMonkey is one of Windows's most popular media players and library managers. It can transfer music, photos, playlists, audiobooks, podcasts, TV shows, etc. from a computer to an iPhone without iTunes.